afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Firstly, to take you to the market, it opened on a very weak note as it was estimated because of the last overnight US markets ending 200 points down. Now, I would like to have a few pointers present to you that yesterday we had a FOMC meeting announcement where the Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke has said that the bond buying program, which is going on currently in the US by the Fed government to buying of $85 billion of bonds every month. So that is going to taper off and it will be kind of ending in the mid-year of 2014. Now this means that the cheap money, the liquidity which is flowing from those markets to the emerging markets like India, Brazil, Russia, and also to the point China will suffer. The markets will suffer because that cheap money will kind of stop, and it will definitely be a big hindrance into the inflows for the Indian markets. So this led to our market almost opening by 200 points down on the Sensex, and right now while I'm talking to you, the market is down by almost 410 points on the Sensex and 120 points on the Nifty. There is no respite on any stocks or any sectors. Real estate, metals, we have banking, we have IT stocks, some few IT stocks, some pharma, all down on the major indices. We have Tata Steel 5% down, we have Bharti Airtel, we have Reliance, which is down by more than 3.5%. We have DLF, the leader in the real estate space, is down by more than 7.5%. Friends, there is no respite in any stocks. It could be to the banking. We have SBI, Axis Bank down by more than 2.5%. We have Dana Bank, which is down by almost 7.5%. It's been like a bloodbath almost today. We have seen when we opened, Hang Seng was down by almost 500 points. Right now, I'm just European markets have opened, and it's opened 2% down on the FTSE and the DAX. So it's kind of a sellout in the world markets, not only India but the world markets combining Nikkei, Hang Seng, China, European indices. So it's not like the only India is suffering. Even the currency, if I'm talking, it's right now almost touched 60 to the US dollar, and it is still, there is no hope of any kind of stopping or stabilizing even at this level when our currency is depreciated by more than 10% in just a span of 1 month. Coming back to the stocks that are in news, we have Ranbaxy, which is again suffering the kind of a case against them by the EU antitrust law, has sued the Ranbaxy for delaying one of that drugs in that European region. Now this is again a big blow dealt by the Ranbaxy after they have just settled the US FDA case. Even the Cadila Healthcare is facing the same issue of kind of not compliant with the procedures. Friends, we have kind of seen the inflows of the FI to the tune of $15 billion till the June month, but this kind of period, in last 2 weeks, we have complete sell-off today in the equity markets, and this has led to double pressure on the rupee front. Friends, more or less we would rely on the global news. There is no kind of domestic news or issues still bothering the market, but it will be more reliant on the global market. So friends, that's all the news updates we have. We'll get back to you more in post market. Thanks.